Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video tutorial, we're going to walk you through Module 2, Lesson number 4, which covers 2D arrays. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code in Eclipse. And I'm going to go ahead and run this, and you'll see it's the Family Bill Analyzer is what this program is. So it says enter the number of family members who have bills. So I'll go ahead and say maybe we have 4 family members. I'll say family member number 1, we'll say mom, dad. We'll just put kind of generic names here, brother, sister. Enter the number of months of bills, so we'll say 3. Let's just cover the summer months, so June, July, August. Okay, then it's going to ask for, it's going to collect the bills for June, so enter the bills for mom. I'm just going to kind of type some numbers in here. It's going to do the same for July, for mom, dad, brother, and sister. Okay, and then it's going to print out a huge 2D array. It's storing all this data in a 2-dimensional array. And then it'll basically show you, you can see the columns for June, July, August. You can see the rows for mom, dad, brother, and sister. You can see it even shortens them. And then you can see over here the summary. So you can see mom's bills for all of the summer was 233, dad's was 149, and so on and so forth. And then you can also see the sums for each of the months. So for June, the bills were 462. For July, the bills were 210, and so on and so forth. So this covers obviously how to initialize 2D arrays, as well as iterating through them and printing them, and then summing up the rows and the columns. So really handy stuff. It does also cover how to create hard-coded arrays, which didn't quite make it into the final output, but we do go through that in the tutorial to kind of give you that initial picture of really the basics of setting that up. As always, this is set into a really functional type of program. To clean it up, please encourage you to hellodrdan.com. Check that out. You'll get the full videos. You can find the full videos of writing this code from scratch with me. All right, guys. Hope to see you there.